Welcome to I Love English TV.
The most important phrasal verbs for everyday life. Look after. Take care of. She always looks after her sister. She always looks after her sister. Don't worry about Mia, she can look after herself. Don't worry about Mia, she can look after herself. Can you take care of my cat while I'm away? Can you take care of my cat while I'm away? Of course, I will take care of her. Of course, I will take care of her. Look for. Search for. Are you looking for your keys? Are you looking for your keys? Yes, I can't find them. Yes, I can't find them. Point out. Indicate. Can you point out the mistakes? Can you point out the mistakes? Get on. Ride. Please get on the bus. Please get on the bus. I think we got on the wrong bus. I think we got on the wrong bus. Get off. Descend from. I must get off the bus at the next stop. I must get off the bus at the next stop. Put on. Wear. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Put on your coat. Put on your coat. Take off. Take off. Take off your jacket. Take off your jacket. Take off your boots. Take off your boots. Wake up. Awaken. When do you usually wake up? When do you usually wake up? I always wake up early. I always wake up early. Get along with. Good relationship. Do you get along with your sister? Do you get along with your sister? Yes, we are on good terms. No, we are on bad terms. Call back. Recall. I will call back later. I will call back later. I'm a bit busy, can I call you back later? I'm a bit busy, can I call you back later? Turn down. Reject. Did she turn down his apology? Did she turn down his apology? Yes, she rejected it. Yes, she rejected it. Run away. escape. Run away, escape. A lion has run away from its cage. A lion has run away from its cage. You can't run away from responsibility. You can't run away from responsibility. Take out. Get rid of. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Take out. Remove. The dentist took out 2 of his teeth. The dentist took out 2 of his teeth. Tear up. Rip up. Why did you tear up what you've written? Why did you tear up what you've written? My pants were torn when I kicked the ball. My pants were torn when I kicked the ball. Pick up. Take. Pick up your pencil and write down your name. Pick up your pencil and write down your name. Break up. Separate. Turn off. Switch off. Did you remember to switch off the TV? Did you remember to switch off the TV? Yes, I switched it off. Yes, I switched it off. Turn on. Switch on. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Put off. Postpone. The meeting has been put off for a week. The meeting has been put off for a week. I can't put off going to the dentist any longer. I can't put off going to the dentist any longer. Hold on. Wait. Can you hold on for a moment? Can you hold on for a moment? Sure, I will wait. Sure, I will wait. Look out. Be careful. Look out. There's a car coming. Look out. There's a car coming. Thank you, I will be careful. Thank you, I will be careful. Go on. Continue. The match will go on despite the rain. The match will go on despite the rain. Yes, it will absolutely continue. Yes, it will absolutely continue. Get over. Recover. Have you got over the fever? Have you got over the fever? I haven't recovered from it yet. I haven't recovered from it yet. Let down. disappoint, don't let me down, don't let me down, don't worry, I will never disappoint you, don't worry, I will never disappoint you. Fill in, complete. If you are interested, please fill in our online form. If you are interested, please fill in our online form. Fill in the gap. Fill in the gap.